Oh yeah? Why don't you get a little closer to the big guy? Wow. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Definitely Not Mechanics. We're gonna change the front headlights and fog lights on the Tundra. Oh, finally, because these things are looking raggedy as fuck. And then this is filled with water now. I love it.
By the way, I'm here too.
Anyways, so these are gonna be the new fog lights, LEDs as well.
Oh my god, they're too shiny.
They come with the bracket and everything, just straight plug and play. And then the best part is this.
Pink foam.
Yeah.
Did you know they actually just put empty bags in there and then just fill it with like expanding foam in a can? Mm-hmm. That's how they do that.
Oh. 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 Looks so much better.
Oh yeah. That's gonna be a good upgrade.
Oh yeah. Huge upgrade.
Is it full plug and play?
Yes, to my knowledge.
Alright. So, to take the headlights out, first we gotta get the grill off. That is affixed by probably a clip there at some point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 millimeters. And like I said, probably 2 clips, but
yeah, it's just usually the push clips that's sitting there.
all you gotta do is just take a pair of wire cutters to those and you don't need them, see?
No.
They weren't there when I worked there last.
I know. They weren't there when I bought the truck. There ain't a whole lot I can do about it.
That's weird. When I bought the van, it was missing valve cover gaskets.
I can vouch for that.
Up. It's got the little clippy clips, and then in there, it's just the prong ones. So you just grab it right there and pull it out. What do you got there? You missing one?
Pushing the bucket.
Oh. Show me the back. Oh. Yeah, they're like this.
Yeah.
And then these on this side. Make sure you don't break those because you can't replace them. It's push pin here, it's push pin here, and then the back just pulls out of here. Just be careful with that.
In that case, that one's sitting there.
See? Clips into this like a car bumper does.
Yeah. Alright. And after that, we got 3 tins. 2 up top, 1 on the side. And Logan just playing around, you know. Fucking douche canal.
It happens.
Does it?
You move to a new area, you meet some people, they turn out to be douchebags, then you're stuck because you never made any new friends.
1 right here, and then 2 up top.
Got it.
And then it has a hole right here that the arm sits in.
This you can kind of...
Yeah. And it's just like the bumper.
Now you want to pry up on these a little bit. I guess if you're pulling them off and not replacing them, yank it the fuck off. But don't pull all that off because you need it.
Oh, come on.
I just realized you're using pliers to take connectors off. You're something.
Thank you.
So, you just want to pull that light that goes right here out of the factory light, put it in here, unless you got some upgraded ones. And then you just plug this shit in.
Yeah, you're gonna have an open plug.
What do you do with an open plug?
Leave it right where it's at.
Really? You don't want to cover it with anything? Personally, I would suggest maybe wrapping that with a light wrap of electrical tape or something of the nature, just to make sure dirt and debris doesn't get in. That sounded right. Oh, that's not good. You're not in there. No, you're over it. That's the problem. Oh, yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, you didn't just scratch that up or anything.
No, it's done that way.
So I'm saying, you didn't scratch that up. And then reassemble. The fog lights are actually pretty easy. So you'll find on the other side, there's like a clip right here and a clip right here. You push them down and just push it out through the front. He's doing it. It's the whole bezel, the whole bezel. So when it's sitting in there like this, on the back side, you'll see that little clip guy there, and then that one on the bottom.
You actually don't push down on these. Well, this one you will, but this one.
Once you get the bottom out, you can pivot that one out.
But the clip on the bumper itself actually wraps over this.
And then this is just 3 screws holding these in. I'm pretty sure this is very...
One screw and 2 zip ties.
Should be 3 screws holding that in. Sure that you're following that ridge really well when you put that in there. Same with the headlights. So if you ever have a plug-in connector that does not say clipped, you maybe broke it or it's broken or something like that, you can definitely just run a zip tie through the wires and around it, zip tie it closed. I wouldn't recommend pulling on it too much, just enough to keep it in there and keep it kind of sealed from the elements.
But
Cut the tail off and you're good to go.
These being aftermarket LEDs, this plug specifically was a little loose. Like they'll lock in, but they'll shimmy up and down and it causes the LED to actually flicker. So I test fitted the other day and figured that out. Now I have LED DRLs and fog lights to match with the LED tail lights.
You gonna do a walk around on the taillights real quick?
Sure.
Just in case anybody cared to see them. What brand are these?
Those I honestly do not remember. I've had these almost 2 years now.
You haven't even had the truck 2 years, have you?
Close to it.
Huh. These are tight. They definitely match.
Yeah.
Rate this install.
Easy, but a little annoying because the bulbs they chose. I hate halogens.
But that's not an install. That's a...
Okay.
Well, give it a rating system. Some sort of system, like a... I don't know, like...
What, out of 10?
4 crab apples.
4 crab apples. 4 being the worst.
6 kerbopples. 2 plumbuses.
Anyways, that is a quick how-to on 2014 second gen or third gen. Right.
Get your shit together, Zach.
Oh. Alright, so third gen Tundra 2014. This is a good little how-to on headlights and fog light install. Super easy, super quick. As long as you have all the right tools, I mean, it's fairly simple. It's self-explanatory.
Very okay. That's how we're rating this one. Very okay. That's like when you do something, you don't break shit and you don't get mad and everything works at the end. Very okay work. These were the Spider LED daytime running light. Yeah. Plug that so I can put that below in the description. Additionally, these are LED fog lamps as well. Everything was plug and play. It all fit good. It was caressed very nicely. Yes, okay. Yeah, these are the ACANIs. ACANII. They look just like the Spiders. 14 to 17 Tundra. They're the LED tube black housing projector headlights, hand lamps, set driver and passenger Toyota Tundra pack up. It says pack up. It didn't even say pick up. We'll put a link to that below. Maybe an affiliate link so we get paid off that. I don't know how that fucking works. If you guys want to see more content like this where we're doing how-tos and stuff on newer vehicles or stuff where we're not destroying things, leave a comment below. If you want to see more of the Rust Bucket, leave a comment below. Actually, go back and comment on all the Rust Bucket videos.
You don't even have to leave a comment. We know you want to see it. Buy more merch. And then,
buy some merch. We just lowered the price on everything. We're going with a forever sale.
Yeah.
We just dropped the prices. We're done being greedy, you know? We're giving it to you guys like $2 over our cost, and that's just to cover most of shipping. We're actually going negative on everything that we sell you guys. It's like a fire sale, like going out of business, but we're just bad at business.
Yeah.
All of our shirts are limited time only, very limited pressing. There's like 5 of each design.
Every day.
But it's been that way forever, and like, we've sold 10.
So definitely definitely not mechanics.com. Go there, buy your merch.
We'll buy our merch for you.
Sure.
You could buy our merch for other people too. You could buy our merch and then put in the notes, don't send any merch. You could just send us money.
I would send you my Zelle.
We had to eat out of the garbage behind Olive Garden tonight.
That was still actually pretty good.
Yeah, you know what? They throw away a lot of good food there, so... Hey, look at me in there. What up, fam? I'm in the chrome!